If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Renegade Limited in granite crystal metallic. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, lane departure warning plus, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 49,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6426.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.